Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is the continuation of the Volkswagen Taos discussion, focusing on the advanced electronic systems, emissions components, and maintenance practices that mechanics say can have a major impact on the vehicle's long-term reliability and ownership costs. In addition to this complexity, technicians sometimes mention that small sensor issues or electronic glitches can occasionally trigger warning lights or temporary performance changes, which may not always indicate serious mechanical failure but still require proper diagnostic evaluation, and this can sometimes be frustrating for owners who are used to older vehicles where problems were more mechanically obvious. But in modern vehicles like the Taos, a single sensor reading or software calibration issue can influence engine behavior, fuel mixture, or transmission response, which is why proper diagnosis is essential before assuming major component failure. Mechanics also place strong emphasis on the importance of using manufacturer-recommended fluids and genuine or high-quality OEM equivalent parts, because the Volkswagen engineering platform is designed around very specific oil viscosities, coolant formulations, and transmission fluid standards, and deviating from these specifications can gradually reduce efficiency, increase wear, or affect system calibration, especially in turbocharged engines and electronically controlled transmissions where precision matters more than in older vehicle designs. And while some drivers may see these requirements as strict, technicians explain that they are part of maintaining the engineered balance between performance, efficiency, and emissions compliance. When discussing ride quality and suspension, the Taos is generally viewed as comfortable and well-suited for daily commuting, with a suspension setup designed to absorb typical road imperfections while still maintaining stable handling at highway speeds. But like most compact SUVs in this segment, regular exposure to rough roads, potholes, heavy loads, or inconsistent road surfaces can lead to normal wear in components such as suspension bushings, struts, ball joints, and linkages over time, and while this is expected wear and tear for most vehicles in its class, mechanics often remind owners that suspension longevity is heavily influenced by driving conditions and maintenance habits. Fuel system and emissions components are another area where mechanics often provide cautionary advice, because modern turbocharged direct injection engines rely on complex emissions control systems such as EGR valves, catalytic converters, and particulate management systems, all of which are designed to reduce environmental impact and improve efficiency, but they also require clean combustion conditions and proper fuel quality to function optimally, and when combined with frequent short trips or poor fuel quality, these systems can become less efficient over time, potentially leading to warning lights or reduced engine performance that requires cleaning or servicing. Despite these detailed considerations, mechanics do not typically describe the Volkswagen Taos as a vehicle to avoid, but rather as a modern, efficiency-focused compact SUV that performs very well when it is maintained correctly and driven in a way that aligns with its engineering design, because when oil changes are done on time, correct fluids are used, transmission service schedules are followed, and the vehicle is driven with occasional longer trips to maintain engine cleanliness, it can offer a smooth, comfortable, and fuel-efficient driving experience suitable for both city and highway use. However, the key message that many technicians try to communicate is that the Taos is not designed like older, simpler vehicles that could tolerate long service intervals and minimal attention, but instead belongs to a newer generation of vehicles where precision engineering and electronic integration mean that small maintenance habits can have a large impact over time, and owners who understand this tend to experience fewer issues and better long-term reliability, while those who neglect these requirements may encounter more frequent maintenance concerns that feel more complicated or expensive than expected. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.